With every increase in fuel prices, the burden on daily life becomes heavier. Transportation costs rise, basic goods become more expensive, and many workers are left struggling to make ends meet. For some, it is just a number in the news, but for drivers and commuters, it is a daily reality. As fuel prices continue to rise, many transport drivers are pushed to their limits. Across the country, jeepney drivers have taken to the streets, voicing their struggles and demanding support. For them, this is not just about fuel, it is about survival.
Presyo ng langis!
Ibaba! Ibaba! I-roll back!
Presyo ng langis!
Ibaba! Ibaba!
With increasing costs and limited income, many are finding it harder to provide for their families. These protests are not just acts of resistance, but calls for understanding, assistance, and change.
Ang kailangan po namin, trabaho. Napakahirap po ng walang hanap buhay. Ayaw po namin na ayuda. Hanap buhay po ang kailangan namin.
While these changes are seen in numbers and reports, the real impact is felt on the streets by those who work daily to earn a living. To better understand this situation, we spoke with a tricycle driver who experiences these challenges every day.
Ako si Roger Pido, truck driver ng tricycle. Medyo humina ang kita namin ngayon kumpara noon dahil sa tumataas na presyo ng gasolina. Malaki ang pagbabago dahil sa pag itinaas nila, mataas ang halaga ng gasolina, pero pagka binaba nila, mababa lang ang baba nila.
As fuel prices continue to rise, the income of drivers has significantly decreased.
Siyempre, naapektuhan kami dahil sa ang ginagamit namin ay gasolina. Kaya, yun ang nakaka-apekto sa amin. Ay, yung iba nagugulat dahil sa biglang ang nagdagdag ng 5 piso. Pero yung iba naman nagbabayad din naman. Wala naman. Yun din ang halos sa araw-araw ng pasahero namin.
For many drivers, fuel expenses consume most of their daily earnings, leaving little for their families.
Ay, ang pinakamahirap yung minsan ngayon uwi ka. Minsan wala rin. Yun lang.
The impact of rising fuel prices does not only affect drivers. Commuters also face higher transportation costs, making daily travel more difficult. As fares increase, so does the burden on ordinary citizens. Every increase in fuel prices carries a deeper impact beyond numbers and reports. It affects the lives of those who work hard every day just to get by. For drivers and commuters, every liter truly counts.